You work remotely and know how to make money on Fiverr, your earning potential is endless. With Fiverr, you can travel anywhere you want in the world while putting your skills to use and of course get paid. Fiverr is a great way to utilize your skills while earning a bit of extra cash on the side. So, let's dive a bit deeper and learn how to make money on Fiverr. Fiverr is an online marketplace that offers a wide variety of services, tasks, and mini jobs. Fiverr aims to provide an online platform where freelancers can advertise and list their available digital services. On the site, you'll find millions of gigs for every type of skill. Whether you're a designer, web developer, lawyer, or even a musician, Fiverr has something up your alley. Fiverr has become one of the largest websites to offer an online service exchange. Its popularity in the industry makes it a desirable way to earn money while traveling, as a side gig, and even professionally. Do you have a special talent or skill that others would find useful? Maybe you're good at designing logos, websites, or wedding invitations. Whatever your talent, Fiverr allows you to share those skills with the rest of the online world. And best of all, you can make money while doing what you love. The process of finding Fiverr jobs is fairly straightforward. But first, it's important to understand the two different parties involved in the transaction. Here's how Fiverr works. Sellers. If you are a freelancer looking for work, then you are what Fiverr considers a seller. A seller can list any type of service they want, along with how much they would like to be paid. Your chances of being hired depend on your experience in your industry and your experience on Fiverr. Buyers. If you are looking to purchase a service, you are the buyer. A buyer has something they need to be completed, whether it's a specific task, job, or project. On Fiverr, buyers hire sellers in order to help them accomplish this work. Fiverr is a two-way communication platform, which means both buyers and sellers have the opportunity to find each other. A buyer can browse through the profiles of sellers that meet their requirements. Or, a seller can look through buyer requests for tasks that match their skills. Once a buyer and seller find each other, they'll agree on a set goal, time frame, and price. Then it's up to the freelancer to do what they do best. How to get started on Fiverr. Making money as a Fiverr seller is easier than ever. By completing the following steps, you can be up and hopefully make money with Fiverr in no time. Register for a new account. In order to make money on Fiverr, you must be a registered user. So, your first step is to sign up for a new account. Once you enter your contact information and details, you'll receive an email confirmation link. After you confirm your new account, it's time to start browsing for work. Create a seller profile. Your profile is perhaps the most important way to get a job on Fiverr. It's your opportunity to showcase your experience, skills, and history to buyers. Essentially, you need to sell yourself with your profile. This is the first thing buyers see when deciding who to hire, so make your first impression a good one. Create a gig. Now that you have a descriptive profile, you'll want to create a gig to share with potential buyers. You'll need to provide information on your services, requirements, and what you will charge. Think of the Fiverr gig as your job description. After reading your profile, a buyer will look through your gig to see if you are a good fit for their project. How to make money on Fiverr. As we've discussed, there are Fiverr jobs for almost every kind of skill and talent. In fact, there are over 200 different job categories on the site. Here are just a few of the best ways to make money on Fiverr. Website development jobs. Designing and building a website is arguably one of the highest paid jobs on Fiverr. Although you'll find different offers for the website concept, design, and coding, you'll make more money if you are able to do all three. Particularly, e-commerce web design is in high demand. Buyers are specifically looking for sellers who can build on platforms such as WordPress, Squarespace, and Shopify. Graphic design jobs. On Fiverr, there is no shortage of graphic design offers available. It remains one of the most popular categories on the site, with over 11,000 available gigs. Whether you specialize in t-shirt, logo, or business card design, you shouldn't have a problem finding a graphic design gig on Fiverr. Translation services. If you can speak more than one language, you can easily make extra cash by translating documents for others. Businesses are eagerly looking for multilingual sellers who can translate different documents and articles. Along the same lines, you can also find buyers looking to learn a new language on Fiverr. If you have the patience for teaching, you can put those language skills to good use. There are a lot of eager students willing to pay for a private language tutor. Social media marketing. The demand for strategic social media marketing is on the rise. Depending on your experience, you can make quite a bit of money by sharing your knowledge with growing businesses. Buyers are looking for everything from ad campaign creation and optimization to strategy and audience research. And sometimes, they might need someone to manage their social media profiles on their behalf. Virtual assistant. Becoming a virtual assistant allows you to work from anywhere you want in the world. If you're good at staying organized and managing multiple schedules, working as a virtual assistant is a good option. Fiverr has a seemingly endless supply of virtual assistant jobs. Tasks include data entry, appointment setting, and cold calling. Pros and cons of Fiverr. Fiverr has its advantages and disadvantages. So let's take a more in-depth look to see if learning how to make money on Fiverr is worth your time and effort. Freedom. Most freelance jobs come with a certain degree of freedom, but Fiverr takes that to a whole new level. In most cases, the buyer is not monitoring or setting your hours. Therefore, you can complete the job at your pace. Confirmation of payment. Because all buyers must pay up beforehand, you're 100% guaranteed to be paid for your work. You don't have to worry about working with dodgy individuals or unverified businesses. Potential to earn tips. Fiverr allows and even promotes their buyers to leave a tip for their sellers. We've heard that over 50% of clients tip, with an average amount of around 20%. Working with different clients. One of the best things about working with Fiverr is working with a variety of clients and projects. You really get to experience different types and styles of work, which is great for someone who is more entry level. And you'll meet a ton of new people, which only helps your networking skills in the future. Fiverr commission. Although it's not uncommon for a job service to take a cut from your fee, Fiverr's 20% commission is high in our opinion. It's important to note that this 20% also applies to tips you earn from your buyers. High competition. Compared to other freelance sites, Fiverr is known for offering gigs at a very low price. If a buyer is purely looking for a good deal, they'll find plenty of sellers who are willing to do a particular job for just $5, regardless of the quality. You'll have to prove your worth in order to earn a higher amount. With some dedication, it's entirely possible to make good money and fund your world travels using your Fiverr skills. You have the potential to earn as much as you can while having the freedom to work wherever you want. Alright you guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and share. And don't forget to subscribe.